Hello, and welcome back to my Dark Souls playthrough. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reverse my hollowing. Oh, I don't have any humanity. In that case, what I'm going to do is use a humanity. Actually, I'm going to use two. And then I'm going to reverse my hollowing. Then I'm going to kindle the bonfire. And then, after having sipped my tea, I'm going to go out and buy a key, followed by killing a bitch. Hopefully I don't die, because then that'll make the whole reverse hollowing point a little bit useless. But the person who inspired me to do this, Generation Hollow, go check out their stuff. If you're watching this and haven't seen theirs, then I completely and utterly freely will advertise his stuff anytime, along with the majority of people in that YouTuber sphere, due to the fact that they are, as far as I am concerned, some of the best YouTubers to have ever graced the face of this earth. However, if one is not willing to go and check out their thing, then okay, I won't try and force you. But yeah, if you like my stuff, you'll probably like theirs more. I'm not putting myself down, I'm just saying they've had more practice than me. Anyway, as I was saying, he, in the stream that inspired me to do this, said that sorry, I'm focusing so I don't get stabbed here. He said that it is... Alright, I forgot. Parry. Parry them. Right, I'm just gonna drink a flask. I'm near a thing, it's alright. Near a bonfire, it's alright. Come on, red eyes. There we go. Right. These two are my practice people, by the way, for parrying. I haven't actually done any since the previous episode, any practice or anything, but... Shh. Let me get back to my original point. I'm getting distracted enough as it is. Yeah, he said, if you're a human, then you're more likely to get item drops than if you're a hollow. So, I humanified. Chug up a flask. Survived. What a penis. Right, this guy, I kind of want his sword.
Well,
Because my sword, as much as I love it, it's not, like, the best. Right, I'll take the resonance key. Got a scimitar. I like rapiers. They're cool and all, but no. I like spears, but no. And I don't think I need any of that, no. I'm tempted by the armor, but I'm not good enough to use it well. Yeah, I think that'll
thank you kindly.
You're freaky. I'm going to turn the voices down slightly. Just because it's too loud in my ear. I'll put it to 5, so it's still higher than the others, because the voices are probably one of my favourite parts of the game. Anyway, what I'm going to do...
You've gone mad, have you? I'll teach you, you lousy rat. Yulia! Yulia!
Yulia! Backstab! Yeah boy, that animation is just so very satisfying. Wait for him to jump, go into the backstab.
Why me? Little Yulia?
Because you have a sword that I want. The Uchigatana. It's not the Ayato. My bad. I'm tempted to use the Astoris straight sword, but I can't remember how to get it. I still haven't decided what sort of build I want to go on this, because I'm fairly certain that a jack of all trades but master of none would not work very well in Dark Souls. Just like a hunch of mine. Oh god, nope, I'm gonna die. I am dead, I'm so dead. Oh no. Can't fall off that little bit of the ledge there either, because then you're still dead. Use that. Lock on, and start blocking. Backstab. Whew. Right, you see, I want to make it through this without, like, you know, dying. Ooh, I have a humanity that I can lose. That's not good. That just makes dying even more of a humanity waste. But yeah. Oh, someone dropped down, did they? They don't usually do that. But, oh, maybe they didn't. It just sounded like they did. Okay, that's fine. Kill them. Over here. Kill them. Come through here. Open this chest. Is this the one with the black fire bombs, I think? Yes, it is. Love them. Love them, love them, love them. Is there a way to put your weapon away in this? I can't honestly remember if there is. Like, usually in a lot of games, there's a way you can put your weapon away and you can move faster. But I can't, for the life of me, remember if there is in Dark Souls. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. And then you're getting looted. And then I'm going to turn around so I can face these guys. Or just this guy, as it may be. You there? Yep. You're dead. This is actually going quite well so far. Hope I didn't just jinx that. Very well. That's the residence key place, but I should probably kill crossbow person first. Oh, no. Drop anything? No? Okay. I like how in the early levels you are quite able to just chug Estus and it's fine. And then in the late levels, if you do, you're screwed. Oh god. Whoops, I didn't even mean to chug that. But as I said, early levels, as long as you've kindled, you'll be fine. Where are you at? Coming up the stairs? You do that. Oh, you're one of them. You're a spear person. Oh my god. Failing to parry spear people. What is life coming to? There we go, they're dead now. And can I just get aggro on one of them rather than both? Oh my gosh, I did it. I'm not sure if I've actually ever done that before. You're dead. Come down here. Rocking, round, backstab if I can. No, that didn't work. I wasn't close enough. Too bad. Kill them before they can heal. Then heal, even though I didn't mean to. Whatever. No biggie. Apparently you can roll through this barrel, but I'm not good enough for that, so I'll just move out of the way. Kill them. Or not, as the case may be. Are they in a way that can come back in here? I don't think they are. No, they're not. But maybe. There we go. Just lure them off the edge. Right. Now then, I'm going to try and kill the Black Knight. This may not be a good idea, but oh well. Gonna need to do some slow walking here. So I can get it in a backstab early, hopefully. Come on, keep walking. I don't want to press it too hard, because you're walking quite quickly. Get in here. No, no backstab. Roll. Shield out. There's no room for error with this guy. But, here's the thing, right? If you lure him up here, I'm not sure how many people know about this, but there is a cheesy little glitch you can do to kill him early on, which I am about to attempt, I believe. Roll back here, then shut the door. Shut the door. Right? Because he can get you through the door, but you can get him through the door. So all you need to do is make him run, hit him and roll, then hit him and roll. Though, is pretty boring. So I think what I'll do is... Oh man, I keep going past it. I'll firebomb him. I don't know where it went. Oh, there he is. There you are, you jammy sod. I wonder if he can go up these. Probably can. Might not be able to. Get firebombed. Hello? Hello, Mr. Knight? Oh god, not good. Oh, I'm glad I got that roll in. Ah, fudge. First death, Black Knight, not surprised. Hopefully that humanity will be collectible. I can never remember whether it's collectible or not when you are in human form to start with. Whew! I forgot how intense this game is. Cat ears are still on, by the way. I forgot about that, but Mirror in my room reminded me. Right, let's go do some murder. Then perhaps what I shall do is, after killing these guys, just get a couple more souls in, is see what you need to use the Uchigatana. Because that is undoubtedly a much superior weapon to my own. So, toggle display. I need 14 strength. I can do that. Probably. Where are we on strength there? One. Oh yeah, I need to collect my souls. Can I do it two-handed? Yes. Okay then. New playstyle. Damage focus. Go away. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't do it this way. Yeah, I'm gonna just change back real quick. Oh man, I'd forgotten that the shield dude had moved. Okay. Recover my souls and the humanity. That's good. Which means I can de-holify, maybe. Not sure if I should though, because, you know, fight coming up. Anyway, level up. Strength. Really? Right, if I do that, then I wonder if I crush that, I should have enough now, I believe. Yep. Okay. So now we can equip the Uchigatana. Now we are a Japanese ninja. Ninja samurai, even. My bad. Hey, you're not meant to still be alive. You died with 2 swipes of the other sword, I think. This is not going well. I wonder, I should probably do a damage comparison. Sorry, I thought I heard someone moving. Yeah, this one does more. It's B. That one's an E and a B. That's probably why. But it also has bleed. Right. Need to practice with the new weapon. I wonder. It's endurance that does the rolls. So I suppose. like the weight equipment load before your roll becomes either medium or fat or heavy. Fat, heavy, I don't know. Whee! Get stabbed. But yeah. I assume that's a medium roll, which I think means that should I change my gear a little bit, which would make me a little bit less defensive, but oh well, I can deal with that. If I were to remove my hands, does that help? Hey. Okay. So. Where are we? Equip load is 13. Right, okay, so move the head as well. That's better. Fast roll. I mean, I do enjoy having a hood, but if it besmirches my roll, that's not good. I mean, I could just level up again, get some more endurance, which everyone always needs. So, I may do that, might not though. Well, I mean, I will at some point, but I'm not sure when. Did I get Spear Person as well? I think I did. Yeah, I did. Come on, Spear Person. I know you want me. Come at me. Okay, come at me again. I'll be ready for you. Stab. Reverse seppuku. I need to get some like cleaner clothes. Look at this stuff. Ugh. It's got a metal plate, but the rest of it's brown and green. I don't like the green, I don't think. And I like the colour green, but what I don't like is that shade of green. Or that green in that particular usage. Come on. Thank you. Please die. Hey, why did you come down? You're not meant to have come down yet. Roll H. Escape. Escape, even. I wasn't going for escape. I meant to say escapage, but it didn't work. Man, I'm just chugging flasks left and right here. But I did warn everyone on my Twitter before any of this got started to prepare for noobiness. I mean, the freaking slogan or whatever of the game is prepare to die again and again and again and again and again. And there's lots of and agains, really. Right. I'm going to try this again. With the Uchi Katana. Right, I got the backstab off. Then quickly follow it up. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, okay. This time, rather than trying to beat him, I'm just gonna grab the ring and sort of run away. Because no. I don't want to cheese him, it takes way too long. Though he's going to be following me now, which is probably not best when I've got to kill the frickin' Titanite thing up here. He's still following me. He is. Oh god. Stop following me! You know what this means. I'm going to have to go rest again. Run! I can't remember what it is, but somewhere in film history, there's something that was reminding me of. Oh well. I suppose that means I may as well humanify. I mean, I've got 2 humanity anyway, so why not? Here's a thing. Do you think that you lose out on anything when you... like, does it get harder to get humanity as you level up? So I'm not sure. Right, to get my endurance up once, because that's all I can afford. Then, if I reverse the hollowing, I said yes. God. Drink some more tea, because... tea. Mutual destruction. There are worse things. I can never remember how I used to deal with this room. I used to be able to deal with this room perfectly. But now, as you can probably tell, not so much. Down to 9 flasks. Right, unfortunately, this isn't an area you can run through very easily, just due to the sheer numbers of, like, frickin' these guys there are. Hello. Die. Die. Oh man, I got caught in the flame. Oh god. How dare you. Very rude. Welcome to Derp Souls. This is my playthrough. I might actually call the playthrough Derp Souls, as I haven't uploaded an episode yet. Derp Souls! Oh, I've got to pick that up just in case it's something that might potentially be useful. Yeah. Derp Souls would be cool. Oh man, I hope I can sync this episode up right, because I forgot to put a syncing point in. I suppose what I could do, though, is just make a syncing point now. Oh shit, I forgot to kill crossbow person. And where the fuck did you come from? Is Spear McGee coming? I'm not sure. Oh well, I'm sure I can kill crossbow person before Spear McGee gets here if Spear McGee is coming. Right, I'll put in a syncing point now. Right, in 3, 2, 1, go! And I moved it at the same time I said go. There we go, syncing point created. Boom! Behind the scenes of YouTube people. Come on, 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 come on. God, you guys are slow. This game is so patience testing. I'm still a very impatient person, so maybe that's why I'm not very good at this game. Backstab? Yes! Now, come on, pick your thing. Oh, why is the Black Knight still about? Did he not go back unless you die? That is not something I wanted to hear, to be honest. Here, see, well, you know, whatever. Is there any way to make the Black Knight fall off the edge? If so, I want to accept that offer. Anyway, I'm just gonna become safe for a little bit now. Because I know he can't get through there. I don't think. No, he can't. Okay. I could technically run fast, but as I've already started cheesing him, I may as well finish it. Ooh, that was not fun. Yeah, I got Black Knight Greatsword by doing this once. Are you gonna put your shield down? No? Fine. I'll get that 4 damage in. I will accept. This is so much easier, I assume, if you have the grass crest shield. That way your stamina will just recharge so much faster. Oh, definitely should have waited for the stamina recharge. Might have to bust out the black fire bombs. Oh, I missed. That's not good. This is touch and go. I'm sure this is thrilling for you guys, as it is for me. Especially considering, due to my level of concentration, the commentary has probably gone downhill. I'm not even sure if I said anything for like 3 minutes then. Whew. But, look at me. Majestic. Would you stop running, please? You're gonna break down my door. Which I know isn't a thing that you can do, because otherwise you would have already done it, being a badass and all, but I missed. Right, wait for that to come back. A couple more of those, you will be dead. Yeah, did it! Oh, got Black Knight Sword. What do you need for it? 20 strength, 18 dex. I think I might just use that. It will be the end of my, like, curved and dexy weapons at that moment, but to be honest, I think it's just a better blade in general. Anyway, this will end once I've either killed the Taurus Demon or died trying. Hello, Titanite Trunk. Thank you. Okay, let me just sort out my things here. Then come around here. Phenomena. That wasn't too bad now, was it? Here's something I don't quite understand, though. Why can't we see the Taurus Demon from here? Oh, shouldn't have done that. Back to full health, I suppose. Because he's up there, right? Or is he just down here anyway? Yeah, he's up there. Why couldn't we see him before? Also, I've been told there's a way to get him to just sort of run off. Like, off of the bridge. But I'm not sure how. So, yeah. I'm just gonna come up here. Gold pine this. Gaze down at him with reckless abandon. And murder. Oh man, douchebag. Douchebag went up there. What a penis. Hello. I wasn't fast enough, was I? Oh, that was not a healthy thing to happen to me. Okay. Gonna chug some Estus when I get up here, and then he will follow me eventually. But, done that. Oh, I only just made that in time. Anyway, Taurus Demon, not very good against lightning, so I'm just gonna electrocute him a little bit. Oh, that was so close. I was squidging my controller out of tension then, because he almost killed me, but I managed to kill him first. Booshaka. Right, killed the Taurus Demon, just make it to the next bonfire, so I don't lose progress, proof that I can do it, you know, all that stuff. Got 5, going on 6k souls, love it, hate it, whatever you do, celebrate it, because I love it. yeah. I'm gonna go to the bonfire, which is the same bonfire. I've just got to unlock it. Come talk to Solaire, because I love this guy. Everyone loves this guy. If you don't love this guy, you are, like, legitimately the epitome of evil.
Ah, hello. You don't look hollow, far from it. I am Solaire of Astora, an adherent of the Lord of Sunlight. Now that I am undead, I have come to this great land, the birthplace of Lord Gwyn, to seek my very own... You find that strange? Well, you should. No need to hide your reaction. I get that look all the time.
Yeah, and then I'm just going to talk to him again.
Oh?
So I can do
The way
that. It'll come in helpful later. But I
It's
don't want to be a Sunbro. As much
We
as I
are
do love the Sunbros.
and of but
I skipped Jolly Corporation. Oh well. Yeah, as much as I do love the Sunbros, I don't particularly want to be one at present, due to reasons. Right, Dragon, do your thing. Thank you. Let me just come down here. Come down here. Kick the ladder. Screw climbing down. Gonna slide, because I'm badass. And voila, we're back here again. And then level up. I'm going to get up that to 18, that to 15. Should have done it the other way around. The regret is real due to the fact that this one has better scaling with dex than it does strength. So I would have got more out of this one for the time being. But, oh well. So I need to get 3 more dex and 2 more strength. To be able to use the old Black Knight sword. Anyway, that'll do for now. What time is it? It's going on 3, which means I have enough time to record another episode after this. Congratulations, guys. You're gonna have 3, like, perhaps consecutive day uploads. Perhaps. I'm not sure. You'll know because this is the 3rd one. No, this is the 2nd one. You'll know whether at least 2 of them are consecutive when you watch this one, due to the fact that then you will have seen, probably, the 1st one. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. As with the last one, I would request that if you have, that you like it, share it, subscribe if you want to see more of this, and my vlogs, and reviews, and other games. Let me know if you want more, let me know what other games you may want me to cover. I may do a vlog about a list of games that I could potentially cover, because I can't really record any off my computer at the moment, other than maybe Hearthstone/Hearthstone, however you want to say it, because my computer isn't the best. Whew! Anyway, my name has been James, will continue to be James, and I will see you on the flip-flop. Goodbye.